and happy Sunday to you. And thank you for having me. I would like to start by asking a question, which is, do we really need mathematics in schools? No. So a lot of us would jump into um, the obvious, but then I would like us to save our answers. Let's just take a small dive into this research area. My name is Richard Ibarenakaye, and today I would like to, address a very popular argument. Mathematics is usually just seen to be just numbers, but in real sense, mathematics is actually a structured way of thinking. A way we can say or describe as a tool for problem solving or measuring reality or even building systems. If we take a deep dive, we'll find out that virtually every one of us have survived on mathematics today. Today, I would like to tell us that there are several research areas that have proven that mathematics has helped mankind. But because of time, I will just speak on three major areas, which is to say, firstly, to say that mathematics powers technology. Mathematics powers technology. If you carry your smartphone, you use the internet, you check your locations, you use GPS, all those are tools that mathematics have used to help us. And according to research, Scientific American, which is a very popular magazine in the US, have published several articles explaining how encryption and cybersecurity rely on mathematical ideas such as number theory and all of that. Also, according to research in 2024, the world has over 5 billion smartphone users. And guess what? All those communications are protected by encryption. And remember I said earlier that encryption is based on mathematical ideas, which is to say that as of 2024, mathematics is literally securing billions of people daily. My second point is mathematics improves decision making, whether in finance, whether in business, whether in medicine, in different walks of life. Mathematics helps in guiding how we make decisions. Even a market woman will always want to know or will always calculate and tell you how much is your balance when you buy something very petty as little as pepper. In my research, I also discovered that in a book written in 2012 by Nathan Silver titled The Signal and the Noise, Silver explains how statistics helps us separate real information from misleading data. So some of the things that we see that come up refined and clear today in today's world were all filtered through mathematical and statistical ideas. Also, my research told me that Harvard Business Review has consistently published professional articles since the 2010s, emphasizing that data analysis and quantitative analysis are essential for leadership and strategy, especially in today's world that is driven by AI and big data. Lastly, I would like to say that mathematics drives industry and national development. You will say how? But my research explains to me that organizations like UNESCO and the World Economic Forum consistently highlight numeracy, analytical thinking, and problem solving as essential skills for today's workforce and future economy. And that's powerful. So whether we are discussing infrastructure or we are discussing energy, aviation, whatever the industry, mathematics is not optional. I would like to summarize by saying today we have examine the question, maths is useless, why does the world run on it? And we've found out three key answers, which is to say, number one, maths powers technology, maths improve decision making, maths drives industry development. In conclusion, I would like to say that mathematics is not useless. What we often struggle with is the way it is being taught. So we shouldn't see mathematics as one useless thing we should throw away. My recommendation would be that mathematics should not be taken away from schools. Rather, we should emphasize and change the way it is being taught. It should be taught practically and in a more relatable way. Because whether we like it or not, the world runs on mathematics. Once again, my name is Richard, and thank you for having me.